Welcome to Ngobotande channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada. Eitada. This is Ngobotande Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, my brother.
Yes, it's been a long time, eh?
It's been a long time.
Feels like I can say Happy New Year.
I was busy with some things. I'm sure I was fun with the Christian Pumulenya.
Number one.
We foot game.
What's your take on the game tonight?
First things first, thanks for the opportunity, my guy. Happy New Year to you too.
Thank you.
Yeah, my take to the game. We saw Giants playing. Mamelodi Sundowns the TS Galaxy, but first half, I think TS Galaxy, it was giving Mamelodi Sundowns a hard time. They were nowhere to be found.
Yeah.
They even scored a goal. Was
offside,
it was disallowed and offside. So it showed you with the head character. They wanted it more than Mamelodi Sundowns. And then, truth to be told, this is the net Mamelodi Sundowns that we know, brother. If maybe something is not right to Mamelodi Sundowns, and then if they don't fix whatever I think they are going to face a problem this season. I don't think they are going to take the league. But I know they are good at the marathon. They say with this, they know how to run the marathon.
Exactly.
But now, if you can look at them, going outside, Shabaya Korama goals, Maranava Buyalana, they are struggling to score goals. So I think the coach, they have the material. But sometimes the material doesn't mean you can seven.
Exactly.
It seems like the material we are good. No, Mr. Patrice Mutsepe, but I'm sure good in a drill pity, excavator, operate. So, Uka does figure to the material, but I think we have a problem with a 7 cell material. So it was it's a beautiful loss for TS Galaxy. I give credit to West June. They really played. I'm very pleased, and I'm happy. They are showing Amanyama team they must not be afraid. They must just take them as a normal team. Show character, fight, ball spirit. And then I think Mamelodi Sundowns going home to TS Galaxy. I think they are going to have a problem when they are going there.
We must talk now. Something must be said now.
About what?
Listen. Sundowns ne. Not just in ordinary team.
Or a brag.
No, Sundowns ne. Good team ne. Team in a financial ne. Muscle ne. The best players. And everything that has a ground ne. What's the word mood ne?
So Mr. Ngobo, as I was saying. As I was saying, as I was saying, I think the second leg when they are going to face TS Galaxy, they are going to face problems. And I'm so happy, the teams are coming through. 8 times in a row. So they have plan A, plan B, and plan C. Sundowns to say plan D. Because of A and B and C, that's
what happened against you.
On Saturday, young tall. We came with a plan, young tall. We failed to execute. Like chances as now. That chance Siema 1-on-1 goalkeeper. Unfortunately, because of his defender doesn't know. But we came with a plan. So as I'm saying with Nabo, if they don't fix their things, I foresee danger.
Thank you. Congratulations.